trying to get into my dorm room, but I've never used an electronic lock before.
Okay, no problem. I can help you out with that. Did you receive an email with the check-in process?
I did. I got that earlier today.
Awesome. So using that link, it will expedite your access. Once you do that, it will activate your wildcard to be used as your room key, and then you should be able to receive that access. Did you do that already?
Yeah, I followed that link.
Okay, so awesome. So now all you need to do is tap your wildcard on the electronic lock. It's right here on the door, and it'll flash red. Good start. Now wait for 45 seconds. It might seem like a bit of a wait, but it's syncing your access to the wildcard. All right, so you should be good to go. Go ahead and tap the lock again and it should flash green. There you go, you're all good.
Oh, thank you so much.
No problem, I hope you enjoy, all right? Technology is not perfect, and the system may be moving a bit slower because a lot of students are trying to activate their electronic locks at the same time. You may need to repeat the sequence of steps a few times just to get into your room. If for some reason your wildcard still doesn't grant you entry into your room, be sure to check out the area desk. They will give you a temporary access card to get into your room while they resolve the issue. But be sure to look out for the email. They'll let you know when you can use your wildcard again.